Okay, about 6:45, going on 6:47. Doing the vertebrae part and the motor bracket to the helmet drone. I bent the depth to a dome in the inside for the fan bracket, so it can release air both ways. Thrust air both ways. I have the back that I have to do. I left out. I have to add the spherical fan gate and mounting a motor alongside the back. That will enable the helmet to pan left and right as the tilt your head left and right. For motion and movement, this will be as the vertebrae of that part, of the wing part for the wing expansion. The glasses, as far as the glass, I put it in a V shape for augmented reality. To open up the unit, I just spread it out manually. So, same thing as a drone. And basically a drone helmet. So, enable it to fly up and down. And like a drone. So I'm putting two motors there and another motor additional here and here. So unfortunately my camera's so close, so I can't even enable you to see how it fits on the head. I got one hand, so I'll try to push it over my hand to fold it back into place, and my knee and leg to show you how it will transform. I'm going to be changing the exterior. I have to still use carbon fiber, and I'm going to use metal and metalloid alongside it with it. That's really how it is. The tail is just to hold the additional other propellers, so it has two motors on the side, two propellers on the side. I'm using probably architectural drone motors, and yes, not probably. And I'm going to be also using another fan gate bracket back here, which will also be used for another motor. So it's a 3-motor copter helmet, and it should work well.